I'm making potato dumplings today, Russian Ukrainian vareniki, and for that we will need potatoes, boiled potatoes. We're going to mash potatoes. I already prepared potatoes. Now we need to cut and put to boil. Over here in a bowl I've got medium size peeled potatoes. I've got them 5. We will see. Maybe we will need all 5. If it will be left over, it's okay. As long as we're not short. Put over here. I'm going to put salt straight away, 2 teaspoons. And to boil until it's cooked. We will add fried onion into mashed potato. So I'm going to chop and we're going to fry onion. Onion we need golden brown, slightly golden brown. Mustn't be overcooked, over browned. Now we wait. Our potatoes ready. I drained all water. Now we mash. Straight away, onion going in. Potato must cool down. And while potato cooling down, I will make dough for the dumplings.
With your potato mash, you don't put any butter or milk?
No. Potato must be firm, otherwise it would be too soft, and we must see filling in a dumpling. Now we will make dough. For the vareniki dough we need 400 grams of flour, plain flour or all-purpose flour, level teaspoon of salt, fine salt, and I'm going to mix in a mixer, stand mixer, and cup of water, room temperature, straight into. It's silky smooth. Dough must rest half an hour. In a cling wrap. And potato cooling down nicely. After half an hour, we will make our dumplings. Dough has rested nicely. What I've done, I cut a small piece. Now I will roll. We've got rain. Okay, I roll my dough in a log and I will cut put in the flour and all the pieces we will roll into round shape. Something like this. Don't make them too thin. We need them fairly thick, otherwise they won't hold the filling. Now, let's make one. Roughly a teaspoon of filling. Press the potatoes together. Now push a little bit, and we squeeze. Some of them we will deep freeze. It's why I'm putting on a tray, and tray will go in a deep freezer. When they will freeze up, I will put them in a plastic bag. And they can sit in a deep freezer for months. We're joining only dough together, pressing, just dough, filling inside. If we will put filling between, they will open up. Now this one I will put in a deep freezer. Like this. I'm not going to cover or anything. They will freeze up in a deep freezer quite quick. In 3 hours, 2-3 hours, they already will be frozen, and I can safely put them in a plastic bag, and they won't glue it to each other. We will boil our dumplings. Water boiling rapidly. It's very important. 2 teaspoons of salt. Oh. And dumplings. Potato dumplings. Vareniki. Russian Ukrainian vareniki. This one won't frozen. If you will boil frozen, boil them from frozen, it just will take a little bit time for them to float. Wooden spoon. Swirl them that they wouldn't stick to the bottom. When they will come to the top and they will float, it will take 2 to 3 minutes to boil them. Because potatoes is cooked, all we wait for dough to be cooked. So we wait. They start to float. And waiting for 2 minutes. Potato dumplings vareniki is ready. Oh, beautiful. You see? Nice. I will put butter and they not going to stick to each other. Over here I've got chili oil. It's optional, but it's delicious. Do you know what? Let me take one varenik and cut for you. You see? Nice. I'm glad you like it, vareniki. Please don't forget to put like, subscribe, and please make it. And please share this recipe with your friends. Thank you very much.